Good day, everyone. So, before we start our discussion today, let me ask you one thing. Have you tried reading without stopping or not even worrying because you are confident enough that you are reading the words correctly? Now, if your answer is yes, then you are surely familiar with the sight words. What are sight words? Sight words are the most commonly used words that can be easily recognized and memorized by the learners. Sight words also help the learners improve their reading skills because they do not need to stop while reading just to figure out the sound of each letter. If you are teaching how to read, may I just remind you that never force the ability of the learners to read, especially if the learner's knowledge of letter names is still shaky. It is important to spend time practicing this skill and properly guide them before jumping into sight words. Now, let's do this challenge if you are really a good reader. You just have to read the 100 sight words that will be shown to you and find out how many words can you read in as fast as you can. You can ask a friend to record the number of words that you misread or mispronounced. Just continue reading up to the last word. Patience and determination to learn are keys to achieve the goal of this challenge. And, of course, before we start, you will be needing a piece of paper and a pencil to record your score. So, are you ready? Let's begin now. Ooh, so intense! Now, count the number of words that you misread or mispronounced and subtract it to 100 to get your total score. If you got 90 and above, congratulations! Very good! You can get your reward from your mom because you deserve it. Now, don't feel sorry if you got 89 and below. You could read those words again and keep on practicing. Enjoy reading!